This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build a circle around an ocean monument. To kick things off, you'll want to gather your essential resources. This includes plenty of sponges, sand, or gravel for water removal, and a substantial amount of your chosen building blocks. Next, clear the immediate surroundings of the monument, ensuring you have a clean workspace. Finally, consider your desired circle's radius, perhaps aiming for a 50-block radius from the center. Draining the ocean monument is a significant undertaking, but entirely achievable. Sponges are your best friend here. Place them, let them absorb water, then wring them out in the nether or a furnace. If sponges are scarce, you can fill sections with sand or gravel, then break the blocks to clear the water. Work methodically, perhaps draining a 20 by 20 block section at a time, to avoid getting overwhelmed by the vast amount of water. With the monument drained, it's time to construct your circular wall. First, pinpoint the exact center of your monument. Then, use an online circle generator or a manual method like a compass and string to plot your desired radius. For example, a radius of 50 blocks will create a substantial enclosure. Carefully place your chosen building blocks along this plotted outline, forming the sturdy base of your impressive circular structure. Now for the final touches. Extend your circular wall upwards to your desired height, ensuring it completely encloses the monument and reaches above the water level. This might involve building up to 60 or 70 blocks high, depending on your design. Double-check for any lingering water pockets inside the enclosure, removing them for a pristine interior. Finally, consider adding aesthetic elements like glass domes, decorative lighting, or even a grand entrance to truly personalize your magnificent build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.